In this video, I'll show you how to change Snapchat camera ratio or solve the problem of zoomed in problem of Snapchat. So at first we have to open the Play Store and search Snapchat and update Snapchat to the latest version. Here I have updated my Snapchat to the latest version. So we have to open the Snapchat now. And after opening Snapchat, we have to tap on the left top and we have to tap on the right top in the setting option, and we have to scroll down. Here we can see the lenses option, and we have to tap on it, and here we have to clear all lens data, and we have to clear all lens data and clear local lens data, and we have to go back and tap on the Snapchat app and tap on the app info, and after tapping on the app info we have go to the storage uses, and from here we have to clear cache only, and after doing that we have to restart our phone, and we have to open the Snapchat, and this will do the job for you. Hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.